Hello, my name is Yulia. I'm working for 7 web pages. In this video, I would like to show you two things. The first one is the relevant experience we have, and the second one is the way how we would like to approach building your product. Because thanks to our developers, we have an automatic Django site constructor, and we'll be able to develop the prototype within 1 or 2 days. So I'd like to start with the relevant experience. Um, it's a bit hard to say what parts will be the most difficult ones from your description so far, but we assume that when you say that you need to have an advanced search, most probably you'll have a quite complicated database, and in that case, search is really important. So let me show you the example of such a search. This is Roomler. It's it's a worldwide apartment aggregator. Currently, it has 1.5 million apartments, and you see how fast the search is, taking into account as well that all these apartments are being updated all the time. Because of the bookings being made different time available and other updates clients make to their apartments or rooms. We've developed this site from scratch. I mean the back end. The front end was also developed by other teams that helped us, but the back end is totally our work. It also has different kinds of filters, and basically I think it is quite clear. I won't stop here for a long time. Another site I would like to show you, it is on staging right now, but as I have my account here, I can show you all the functionality. I believe it's really similar. So this is the site. It's a kind of platform that gives an opportunity to make feedback to some event or maybe to some work somebody has done. This feedback platform was also designed from scratch, and we also started from a prototype like we would do in your case. So here, for instance, I found my company, and I am able to leave the feedback. I would also like to demonstrate different user accesses because if I'm not mistaken, you have it in your tasks as well. Here we have managers. You can give an access to other users, and you can invite other users to share what they have. Apart from being able to review all the feedbacks, you can also review the statistics and the most frequently used words. We have Stripe aggregated implemented here. I'm not sure you would like to integrate Stripe. When it comes to subscriptions, this is one of the most popular choice of our clients because of the fees and because it's really convenient. You can have your users adding different cards, making some of them default cards, and make it interchangeable. We also added such an opportunity like adding subscriptions from, the plans from the admin panel, and we also built our own free Django plan here. However, if it comes to one-time payments, mostly we deal with PayPal in this case. So as I've noticed, as I've already mentioned, we build the site in the way we would like to build yours. What I mean, we have such a nice tool which is called Iron Coder. We built it ourselves. This is an app that enables to develop the prototype of Django site with all the basic functionality, with the database build, with Stripe integration if needed, with user accesses, with the connections between the pages. And you can do this how many times as you want, and until you see that this is the site you would like to see, and this is the experience you would like your users to have. Very often this was the very main reason why the clients decided to work with us, because we can do it really quickly, and you can have really certain picture in your head how it's gonna look like. So for example, this is kind of blah car cloned for bicycles, just to demonstrate you how it works. We can do it by ourselves, and we can show you the end stage, or maybe you would like to take part in it as well. So this is how it looks. You can register here. We also have social networks registration here as well. You can update your data. You can start searching. So this is kind of rights. You can also let me see. Yeah, you can also review the right details, make a request. So of course this is not the front end we are building, but this is to demonstrate basically the functionality and the way your user will be able to browse your website. So that was the way how we built Polish. Polish is an MVP itself, but from the very start we did such a prototype. This is the dashboard of Iron Coder. If you know something about the development, you'll see that you can create models here. You can create registration pages. You can set up different kinds of accesses here. You can also make different fields searchable or not. So all the basic functionality. And this is really convenient because you fix all the logics mistakes before you have your site developed. So in your case, we would be able to already to cover the main database structure, maybe subscriptions if it's Stripe, if it suits you, basic search functionality. So I think it would be a good start, and it would be the first sign you finish even earlier than September. Thank you for your attention. I hope it was useful, and I do believe that it would be better to have a talk and to have the main information about your site. We are quite intrigued what it's about. We can sign an NDA and everything, but it would be much easier for us to maybe make some suggestions and to show you how we would approach this task. Um, Hope to talk to you later. Thanks for your attention. If you survived to this part, to the end of this video, sorry if it's too long. Have a nice day. Bye bye.